Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together our 4x6 photo frames. Okay, you have your two base pieces and they just fit one right on top of the other, just like that, to give you a sturdier little stand. You have your backing board, your centerpiece that divides, and then your frame. So, and then the centerpiece has the little tab on it that fits into the base pieces. Just like that, and then you glue them in. And so we're going to start by putting the main photo part together. So this is our backing board. Let's set that down. I'm going to grab some wood glue. You can use two-part epoxy, whatever you want. I just really prefer wood glue. And this little container here, I picked this up at Dollar Tree. So, you know, for the price, you just can't go wrong. So I'm going to turn it over, lay it down, and then I'm going to stand this up on its side, and I'm going to make sure my edges are lined up perfectly. Then when they move, if you're not careful, they will move on you. I'm going to sit it down. I'm going to grab a little bit more glue, put it on this one, and then we will lay our top piece in place. Now I'm going to stand it on its side again, make sure all three layers are lined up perfectly. I'm going to take a couple little clamps and clamp them together for just a few minutes. It doesn't take long. Another one here. And one more. Okay, so now it's all clamped together. While that is setting up, one second. The one piece seems to have moved on me just a hair, and I want to make sure all lined up nice. Just be careful you don't get glue all over your photo frame if you use glue. Another option, if you don't like to use glue, is the double-sided 3M adhesive. Just put that on your wood before cutting, and you can use that to adhere the pieces together. I think the glue works better in the long term. Okay, so now it's glued back together. Now I'm going to take my two base pieces. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the bottom of the smaller piece, and I am going to place it on here and line it up. Line my slots up perfectly. And then, to make sure they are lined up perfectly, I am going to sit my frame in place. And that will make sure that the bases are lined up together. Okay, and that only takes a minute or two to set up, so just hold it in place for just a couple seconds. These clamps can already come off of the frame itself. Now, if you want, you can put glue and glue this into the base. I prefer not to, but once you have it all glued together and it is dry, you just slip your photo in from the top, and there you go. You have an adorable photo frame. I am going to be listing several different designs for this, and one of these will fit on a 12 by 20 piece of wood, no problem. So you can use it with your Glowforge or any other, laser that has like a 12 by 20 cutting bed. So there is our Somebody Loves You Easter frame. That's going to go up today. And that's how easy they are to put together. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I will answer anything I can in the comments.